Acquiring data analytics tools is the initial step in gathering data for your digital marketing campaign. While some tools are free and others require payment, your choice shouldn't solely depend on cost. It's essential to select a package that suits your company's needs. Additionally, consider data retention when switching vendors. Server-based analytics retain historical data more easily compared to cookie-based tracking. To test the success of your website or campaign, follow the TAO of conversion optimization. Track, analyze, and optimize. Keep in mind that data analytics tools may not always offer 100% accuracy, so it's crucial to interpret trends and changes regularly for a deeper understanding of your brand's performance. Google Analytics, Google Data Studio, and Google Ads enables you to create dashboards for understanding customer conversion and retention, even incorporating data from other sources via BigQuery. Webalizer is a well-known server-based tracking tool for analyzing web page usage logs and access data. ClickTracks offers both server-based and cookie-based tracking. Its analyzer software provides web analytics insights into visitor interactions. Microsoft Power BI is a leading business intelligence platform supporting various data sources. It empowers marketers to generate and share reports, leverage visualizations, and consolidate reports and dashboards into a single app. If conducting in-house split tests is challenging, consider using third-party services like Content Experiments, an integrated feature of Google Analytics. This tool simplifies split testing and ensures the results are statistically significant. For cookie-based tracking, Google Tag Manager is a helpful solution. It allows you to add and maintain code tags on your web pages, even if you lack coding expertise. Tracking, analyzing, and optimizing data is pivotal in digital marketing, offering insights for informed decisions. Focus not only on metrics, but also on overarching trends, starting with macro-level elements before delving into specifics. Experiment with variables, use statistical analysis, and make data-driven decisions, relying on numbers rather than gut feelings for optimization. To assess your website or campaign's performance, use the TAO approach. Track, analyze, and optimize. Recognize that data analytics tools may not be perfectly accurate, so focus on interpreting trends. Prioritize trends over metrics, experiment, and make data-driven decisions for optimization. For more insights and strategies, don't forget to visit our website.